What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what do you do when you've just imported a nice, beautiful, luxury, leather seated Jap car? Well, you're gonna have to go through and clean your seats. You don't know how many people have farted in those seats. That's disgusting. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna get in under 50 bucks and we're gonna clean those seats. We're gonna get them looking nice, matte leather, like brand new. It's gonna be quick and easy. So look, let's jump on in and I'll show you guys how to bring your leather seats, leather interior back to new. All right, so check out my seat. Now, mine's not too bad, but you can see how it's all shiny. It's kind of gross. Like up here, it looks nice and matte. It looks all right because obviously your back's never on it. But over here, down there, shiny, that's just, ugh, it's like oil and people's grossness. So what we're gonna do first, I recommend you test this on your seat in an inconspicuous area first. But first, we're gonna get just some soapy water, and it's a magic eraser. All right, get in there and we're gonna go over the seat, gonna clean it up, take away all the dirt, all the grime, all the grossness. Now, once you've done that, I would say it's kind of like open to the atmosphere. After that, what we're gonna do is gonna come through and we're gonna use Chemical Guy's Leather Quick Detailer, cleans, restores, and protects, right? So we're gonna go over it, shake that up, we're gonna spray it. I actually spray it on another magic eraser and I wipe it down and wipe it all over the whole thing, and then you get a microfiber and wipe it off, okay? So it's like, look at that, it's all shiny. I know, like, we're not gonna get rid of that cracking, but when it's matte and it's nice and finished correctly, you're not gonna see that anywhere near as much, and you're not gonna have other people's like dirty bums on your seat. Ugh. So you want it fresh. I'm gonna do it to the steering wheel as well because I've got some leather on there. So for now, let's get that magic eraser and the soapy suds, give this thing a clean. So here we have it. As you can see, way less shiny, very matte looking. Remember, there was a lot of shine there. There's a lot of shine down here at the high kind of impact areas. Remember, there was disgusting. Now, what we do now is we get this detailer, give it a little shake. Yeah, spray it onto, it says spray it on and then wipe it off with a microfiber. I'm going to spray it onto a magic eraser and go over the whole thing. Just gives it a little bit of an extra clean. Magic erasers are incredible. And it's got like vitamin E and aloe vera and all that kind of stuff to protect and keep your leather nice and supple. Now, some of you may be asking, why did I pick Chemical Guys? Why didn't I pick other brands, etc., etc.? I picked Chemical Guys because the detailer that I know as the best detailer in Australia, #1 Pro Shine, the man himself, uses Chemical Guys all the time and he always gets incredible results. So I stand by that brand because I stand by him. I stand by his quality, and these guys have never seemed to let him down, so I doubt they're gonna let me down. So guys, I'll put a link in the description for this stuff. I don't get anything for it, I'm not affiliated with them. I just purely think it's a good product. I've used it on the other seat, the passenger seat already, and it's come up great. So I'm gonna quickly do this and then I'll show you guys the results. Now, I wanted to show you, the doors were a really good example because obviously they're right in the sun. This is a really matte finish. Now this is straight after the microfiber and soapy water. I want to show you the other side. And this is the one that I've done with the actual Chemical Guys leather detailer. So it has darkened the leather slightly because it's like it's slightly more kind of moist, and it's ended up with a satin finish, I would say. So it's not shiny, but it's not completely matte like the magic eraser leaves it. You can see it's got like a nice protective kind of layer on it, which it makes it a lot more supple, is the best word. Like to touch it, this feels a lot better than it did previously. So I'm gonna go and finish off the rest of the interior and show you the end result because I'm actually really stoked. This is the first time I've used this. I started using it on the passenger seat and I was like, I need to make a video and show the boys this because they are all going to want to get on top of this. Like, look at that, that's just come up like brand new. It's, as you can see, even on the actual driver's door, it's like brand new. I've just wiped it, so it kind of dries off a little bit, but yeah, it's come up really good. I'm stoked. All right, let's finish the rest of this and show you guys how it turns out. All right, I'm really impressed with this product. Chemical Guys, thank you so much for making this product. Guys, I'm not like sponsored by Chemical Guys or anything like that. Literally just saw the brand through ProShine, wanted to use it myself and have been blown away by the results. The leather is darker, it is softer, it feels new, it feels supple, it feels really good. Like for a quick detailer, that's crazy. I have been told that when you like magic eraser and soapy water your leather, you've got to protect it. So this looks like a great protectant. Chemical guys, if you want to work with me, if you want to like work with the channel, be my first sponsor, please reach out, because I'm going to reach out to you guys. But yeah, reach out to me if you want, because I'm very impressed. I like to stand by brands that make products that I can stand by, that make good products. This is amazing. Let me show you what it looks like. So you can see the leather looks darker. It's got that kind of satin sheen to it. It's like matte, but you can see it's been protected a bit. The back seats, like my back seats have almost never been satin, but you can see it looks darker. I'll show you the front, because obviously I showed you that to begin with. The door card, let me get my shadow out of the way. That's come up amazing. Ignore the floor, I'm actually gonna wash the whole car in a minute. I just wanted to do these seats, but like they've come up so good, and genuinely they feel softer. I'm stoked, I'm really stoked. Now, with applying on that seat, when I first did it, I sprayed it on the seat, and then I got little bits of overspray over everything, and it was kind of annoying. So that's fine on your first seat, but then when you're going to your last ones and you sprays on the seat you've already cleaned, you got to go rub down again. I found it was just a lot easier to spray onto a cloth, onto a magic eraser, whatever you want to use, and then go through and wipe the seat down, and then go over with a microfiber and wipe the excess off. Really, really impressed. So like I said, I'm actually going to wash the whole car now. I wanted to try the seats because when I was on holiday, I just thought, I really need to do something about my seats. I really need to give them a bit of attention. Now that will protect it and give your seats, or your leather, a bit of longevity. So if you've got good leather, go and protect it, please. Don't let it crack and then be like, oh, how do I fix the crack? Okay, protect it now. I'm gonna go wash the car, vacuum it, all that kind of stuff, because I have just come back from the holiday. This needs a bit of a birthday before I start going back to normal life. So let's hit that. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Chemical guys, please hit me in the DMs. I'm gonna hit you in the DMs. I'd love to work with you. I'm really, really impressed by their product, and I'm gonna go and buy a bunch more products, because if this is this good, surely the rest is as well. So guys, hope you liked it, hope it helped. Go and try it yourself, and you'll be like, man, Adam doesn't lie. I should subscribe to his channel. Yeah, you should. Let's get this growing. Share it with your friends. It's not just Crowns. Any car that has leather interior, get onto it. They have a normal interior detailer I saw as well, but I wanted the leather. So if you haven't got leather, go and try that. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.